relief market near Opiweka. The road collapsed due to heavy erosion. You can see big hole here. Soludo should do something about it. Soludo should do something about this place. It requires urgent attention. You can see the entire place is collapsing. You can see the cracks waiting to collapse. If something urgently is not done here, if the place is not given urgent attention, big gully is going to develop here. Just look at. Imagine if another heavy rain falls, the entire of these places will become a disaster. Our government in this part of the world should be serious about road construction, especially the expressway. This kind of places need good contractors to handle it. It doesn't require any contractor to handle this kind of place. You can see everywhere has cracked. Anambra state government should give this place urgent attention.
Erosion carry side. The quick relief market side of Opiweka. The quick on a zepa ebenina. On a kekiro into Nepia. Saludo, come to our rescue. Wonder Rogika Habia. Nekwa. On a demarcation carrier. People tell from now till 2 days now. What up? Hey, happening now. Relief market Opiweka, Onitsha.